we are opening it.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey and I am a 21-year-old living in San Francisco, and this is yet another what I eat in a week. Again, my favorite videos to make, and you guys seem to love them, so I will keep making them, but also new content coming soon. But I just wanted to give a disclaimer, and yes, I practice intuitive eating, meaning I eat when I'm hungry, I stop when I'm full, and if I'm craving something sweet or savory, I give myself it. I really believe that listening to your body and what it wants, what it needs, your hunger cues is so important, because in the prior past I would practice intermittent fasting and I would be hungry at 8 a.m. and I wouldn't give myself food, and then that would just lead me to eat so much more later on during the day. So that is just what I do, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Monday morning, sun is shining. On Monday morning around 10 o'clock, I started my morning off with some overnight oats that I made on Saturday, the weekend before. I just threw in Quaker oats, chocolate chips, berries, almond milk, and I used an old almond butter container, because why waste almond butter when it still has a lot in there on the bottom? So I just served it up Gary's way for me and my roomie, and that was a yummy nummy breakfast, and it was very hearty and it was so good. And then as a snack later in the afternoon, I had some carrots and everything but the bagel Greek yogurt dip, and it was immaculate. But honestly guys, you can make it yourself. Greek yogurt, everything but the bagel seasoning, and some garlic powder, and boom, it's exactly the same. And as you can see, San Francisco was scorching hot on Monday, so there's a trend of cold meals. So I just made myself some avocado toast with pumpernickel bread, just because it's fall, you know. And then to add some protein, I added a can of white tuna from Trader Joe's on top of my avocado toast. And then I dressed it up with sriracha and everything but the bagel seasoning. And this meal was so good, and I'm definitely making it again. It was so great. Around 4 p.m. I went on a 5-mile run, and I absolutely love running. Runner's high is literally the best high ever, so just pop in your AirPods and put on a good playlist. For dinner around 6:30, I just had a Built bar, and these bars are amazing. Low calorie, high protein, not that many grams of sugar, and they taste like legit candy. The Oreo has been my favorite so far, and yeah. And around 10 p.m. I caved, and I had some flamin' hot Ruffles that I had left over from the Santa Barbara trip. So yeah, I treated myself. Tuesday, I started my morning off with the superior breakfast, which is avocado toast. I got my dark pumpernickel bread, toasted it, slathered avo on top. You know the drill, everything. coconut almond milk creamer. And then I made myself some egg whites with peppers and vegan sausage because I had this leftover pepper that I need to use up. So I sauteed the red peppers and sausage together, and then I poured on the egg whites, but then I wanted more protein, so I added some black beans and vegan mozzarella, which is from almonds, and then I ate that up, and that meal was literally 50 grams of protein, which is insane. So delicious breakfast, highly recommend. Y'all know what season it is. It's pumpkin spice season, so I got these batons from Trader Joe's, and they're so good and so addicting. I had like 3 around 1 p.m. and then I had an apple promptly after that because afternoon snacking is my weakness. Around 3:30, I did some banded booty workouts because your girl is trying to get her booty poppin'. And then after around 4 or 5, I had some cereal, and this cereal from Trader Joe's tastes so bad that I need to elevate it with pumpkin pie spice. And then I also snacked on some crackers and hummy. And around 7 o'clock, I went on a sunset walk with my roomie, and we watched the beautiful sunset at Fisherman's Wharf. And when we got back, I made myself a smoothie because your girl needed her protein. So yeah, it's spinach, banana, berries, almond milk, peanut butter, and whey protein. That's a lot, but it's very, very delicious. Oh, but I'm not done yet. Around 8:30, I got hungry again, so I had some Brazilian cheese bread, and I just oven baked 2 little bread buns in the oven for 10 minutes, and it's very delicious. It's not as authentic as the actual pão de queijo. I butchered that, but it's really good. Try it out. Thursday is when it starts getting downhill and I don't cook as much, but I started my day off with some iced coffee, you know the drill, coconut and almond milk creamer from Trader Joe's, my iced coffee that I brewed previously, and it's always a delicious start of my day. And then I made some eggs. I got my eggs pasture raised this time. It's a lot more expensive than normal eggs, but the chickens lived a better life, and ethically that just makes me feel better. So I fried up 2 eggs, and then I had a slice of pumpernickel bread. And then around 2:30, I went to hang out with my parents, where I ate a egg roll because I am Chinese. And then around 4 o'clock, I went to take my dog on a walk at Land's End with my friends Kat and Alexis. And then for dinner around 5, we went to Grapevine, and I had a tuna sandwich with some fries and salad, and it was so good. I had leftovers. And then I did a lot of cartwheels in Golden Gate Park because I have crackhead energy. Friday, fun day. I started my morning off with a smoothie with collagen peptides, strawberries, peanut butter, spinach, and banana. And I just blended that up, and it was a delicious protein-dense smoothie. And then around 12 o'clock, I had some Chinese cold dish, which is basically like tofu, mushroom fungus. I know it sounds gross, but it's really good, and
soybeans, and I snacked on that. And then around 4 o'clock I had the leftover half of my tuna sandwich. And then around 6 p.m. I dragged Kat to go on a workout in the park with me, and we did that list of workouts. And then I also did a toe touch because I was a former cheerleader and I want to see if I can still do it, and I can. Oh, it's so good! And then around 8 p.m. while we were watching like shows and everything, I had some carrots and hummus. And then around 10 o'clock we had a pizza while watching a documentary, and I never had Papa John's pizza, but it was good, and the garlic sauce is really good as well. But I just want to show you guys my body the next day to show you guys that eating pizza, eating ice cream, eating cake, eating whatever remotely unhealthy, quotation marks around unhealthy, does not do that much damage to your body. Like, although it might feel like you gain 10 pounds, you don't actually gain 10 pounds. And it took me so long to learn that concept. But I just wanted to show you guys that you can eat what you want and just reset the next day. Don't be too hard on yourself and just love your body. I know it's such a hard concept to learn and grow to love your body, but I'm still in the process of doing that. And I just want to show you guys that you could enjoy life and the little moments with your friends while eating unhealthy or whatever, and still be on your fitness or health journey. It's okay. And that is everything I ate that week, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.